everyone. If you're here, I assume you bought this blood pressure monitor and you're wondering why the USB-C cable is not working. It comes with a charger or with the ability to power it through USB-C, but when you plug it in, nothing happens. Well, this is one of those cases where the USB-C plug is there, but it's not wired correctly. You can watch my video number 9 to see how to get that voltage in a USB-C cable. So what I'm going to do today is I'll solder the 5.1K resistor on one of the CC lines. I don't know which one it is. I already figured out the pad. There is a pin here that's actually wired to that line, and they have a separate pad here. So if you put a pull down resistor between this pad and ground, you should be able to use a USB-C cable. Alright, let's get started. So I'll save you the headache of watching me struggle soldering the resistor, especially since it's going to the wrong pad. Yeah, I tried it, obviously it didn't work, and as I mentioned, it turned out to be the yellow wire next to it. That was, I guess, line CC1 or CC2, and the blue wire was the other CC line. And now I'm soldering the other pull down resistor on the second CC line. Alright, let's try this. Yes. Okay.